Don't you know that some math problems can be solved easily and more efficiently using math visualization? Here is an example. Let's say we want to find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 and then continue the pattern until 998 plus 999 up to 1000 and then go back down to 999 plus 998 until plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This kind of math problems can be solved easily using math visualization. So let's do this together. Let's begin by solving a simpler problem similar to the given one. Let's say we are given this 5 by 5 array of dots, and we are going to use that in order to solve this problem similar to the given one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, then go back down to plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 until 1. Can you see this sum of numbers in this array of dots? You can pause the video and see if you can find these numbers among these dots. Now it takes a little time before you can see the pattern, but let me help you. This number 1 is this dot, plus 2 is this, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and then plus 4, these 4 dots, and then these 3 dots, 2 dots, and this 1 dot. So this diagonal of numbers represent this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And so what's now the sum of these numbers? Now since all these numbers are represented by these 25 dots, then we know that the answer here must be 25. And that 25 is computed as 5 squared, which is the length of the side of the square squared, or the length of the main diagonal of the square. So going back to our problem, if you want to find the sum of these numbers, we can easily solve for this by using this pattern. We simply have to get this biggest number, which is 1000, and square that to get 1 million. And so the answer for this problem is 1 million. Now, what is the relationship of that pattern if you want to find the sum of the first 1000 counting numbers? Notice that if you compare the number of addends for the pink part and the yellow part, there is this 1000 that is the extra number at the left side. It would have been easier if there are equal number of addends for the pink and the yellow part. But that is not a problem because in mathematics, we can always apply the addition property of equality. So in here, what we can do is, in order to find the sum of these pink numbers, we already know that the combined sum of the pink and the yellow addends is n squared based on our previous visualization. But if we want to find only the sum of the pink numbers, then we can insert another number here, which is 1000. In that way, we now have a balanced number at the left and at the right. But notice that this 1000 that we added is our value of n. So the formula therefore becomes n squared plus n when we added this 1000. And since we want only to find the sum of these pink numbers, which is symmetric with the yellow numbers, then we want only half of the total here. So we divide n squared plus n by 2. And this is now the formula for the first n counting numbers. And substituting now the value of n to this formula, where n is 1000, we found that the sum of the first 1000 counting numbers is equal to 500,500. And see the beauty of math visualization. Problems that seem to be very difficult to answer because there are so many numbers involved can be answered more efficiently, more elegantly if we apply math visualization. And see the beauty of mathematics. If you want more videos like this, I invite you to please subscribe, share, and like our videos. And if you want to be included in our weekly raffle draw, please write your comments in any of our videos, and all those who wrote their comments for the week are qualified for the weekly raffle draw. We are going to select 3 winners of $10 each or 500 pesos in the Philippine currency or converted in your own currency. And I would like to give a shout out to the following who are actively participating in our discussion forum by writing their comments. And don't forget to watch our recommended video. Bye for now.